Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your dropshipping techniques with Mailchimp, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of dropshipping and the importance of marketing in this model. Create a Mailchimp account if you haven't done so already. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the Mailchimp dashboard. Review the features available, such as audience management and email campaigns. Import your customer list into Mailchimp to reach your existing audience. Ensure that your list is segmented based on factors like purchase history and engagement level. Set up your email templates using Mailchimp's user-friendly design tools. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and message. Craft engaging content for your email campaigns, focusing on promotions, new arrivals, and tips. Schedule your emails strategically to ensure optimal open rates and customer engagement. Utilize Mailchimp's automation features to send targeted emails based on customer behavior. For instance, set up abandoned cart emails to encourage customers to complete their purchases. Analyze the performance of your campaigns through Mailchimp's reports section. Pay attention to metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use these insights to refine your email marketing strategy. Experiment with A/B testing to determine which email formats and content resonate best with your audience. Consider integrating Mailchimp with your e-commerce platform for seamless operations. Stay consistent with your email schedule to maintain customer relationships and brand visibility. Optimize your email marketing approach by refining content and audience segmentation based on performance data. Continuously educate yourself on the latest email marketing trends and dropshipping strategies. Implement the strategies you've learned to scale your dropshipping business effectively through Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.